If you're not leveraging AI in 2025, you're already behind. The latest AI tools are making work faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before, from AI avatars that create entire videos in minutes to tools that can instantly translate speech across languages. We're diving into the 7 most powerful AI tools that are redefining productivity this year. And here's the thing. These aren't futuristic concepts. These tools are already being used by businesses, creators, and professionals to streamline workflows, eliminate repetitive tasks, and boost efficiency. Let's get into it. Tool 7. Hagen. Creating high-quality video content takes time, effort, and often a full production team, but in 2025, AI is doing the heavy lifting. Hagen UGC is one of the latest AI-powered tools transforming the marketing landscape. It uses AI-generated avatars to produce realistic video ads without the need for human actors or expensive filming equipment. Here's how it works. Brands simply input a product URL, and Hagen automatically extracts key details like features, pricing, and descriptions. The AI then generates a script, selects a relevant avatar, and creates a professional-grade video, all in minutes. And this isn't some low-budget, robotic-looking AI content. The avatars are lifelike, dynamic, and tailored to different industries. The AI can even tweak facial expressions and tone to match the brand's messaging. Why does this matter? User-generated content. UGC marketing is already dominating online advertising, with UGC-style ads generating 29% higher conversion rates than traditional polished advertisements. But instead of waiting on influencers to create content, brands can now generate higher-performing, realistic video ads on demand. Marketers, e-commerce businesses, and even small creators are already leveraging Hagen to produce authentic-looking content at scale, making it one of the most talked-about AI tools in the industry right now. Tool 611. Labs Scribe. Transcription tools have been around for years, but let's be honest, most of them aren't great. AI-generated transcriptions often struggle with accents, complex terminology, and speaker differentiation. That's where Labs Scribe is changing the game. This tool offers exceptionally accurate speech-to-text conversion, even for multilingual content. Powered by advanced deep learning models, it can identify individual speakers, adjust for noisy environments, and even replicate a user's voice for seamless dubbing. Studies show that over 80% of people prefer video content with subtitles, as it significantly boosts engagement and accessibility. Labs transcription service has been reported to have a word error rate as low as 2%, making its accuracy comparable to human transcriptionists. But it doesn't stop at transcription. It also automatically translates content into multiple languages, with real-time voice cloning, making it an essential tool for businesses expanding into global markets. Podcasters, journalists, video creators, and multinational corporations are already leveraging Labs Scribe to automate transcription and translation workflows. With AI-powered dubbing, creators can instantly localize their content into multiple languages, reaching entirely new audiences without re-recording. AI isn't just enhancing productivity, it's revolutionizing global communication. Tool 5. Google Career Dreamer. The job market in 2025 is more competitive than ever, while career coaches and resume writers still play a role. AI is revolutionizing job searching and career planning with data-driven precision. Enter Google Career Dreamer, an experimental AI tool designed to analyze your skills, compare them with real-time job market trends, and recommend personalized career paths based on actual hiring data. Unlike generic career advice, Career Dreamer scans millions of job listings and skill requirements across industries, compares that data with your resume, LinkedIn profile, or manually inputted experience, and provides actionable insights. It can suggest the best-paying roles in your field, highlight missing skills, and recommend certifications that could help land a higher-paying job. Why does this matter? The average job search in 2025 takes 2 months, with job seekers spending an average of 11 hours per week looking for new roles. I can cut this time significantly by streamlining the job matching process. HR industry reports show that AI-powered job matching improves hiring efficiency by 30%, making it easier for candidates to find the right opportunities faster. The tool also provides salary projections, promotion timelines, and career growth potential, helping users make informed, data-driven decisions about their future. Instead of spending months applying to jobs that may not be the right fit, job seekers can now get instant AI-backed career insights, making their search smarter, faster, and more targeted than ever before. Tool 4. Skill Leap and Futuredia. AI isn't just changing how we work. It's also transforming how we learn. By 2025, 50% of jobs will require AI-related skills. According to reports from the World Economic Forum, that means upskilling isn't optional. It's essential for professionals looking to stay relevant in an increasingly AI-driven world. That's where Leap and Futuredia come in. These platforms provide AI-driven education offering over 20 courses covering everything from AI coding to digital marketing and automation. What sets these courses apart is their adaptive AI technology, which customizes the learning experience based on each user's strengths and weaknesses. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, the system tracks progress, suggests personalized study plans, and ensures learners maximize efficiency rather than wasting time on unnecessary lessons, and the impact is already visible. A 2024 study found that students using AI-driven learning platforms scored 35% higher on exams than those relying on traditional methods. Companies that have integrated AI-powered upskilling programs have reported a 40% increase in employee productivity, significantly reducing training time as AI continues to reshape industries. Platforms like Leap and Futuredia are ensuring that professionals stay ahead of the curve whether you're looking to future-proof your career or transition into a high-demand AI-related role. AI-powered education is quickly becoming the new standard. Tool 3 Invato Labs Generative AI Suite content creation has always been a time-consuming skill-intensive process. High-quality images and videos require expensive software, long hours of editing and expertise in design. But in 2025, AI is making professional-grade content accessible to everyone. Invato Labs has introduced an AI-powered generative suite that automates image and video production. This tool allows users to generate studio-quality visuals in seconds by simply inputting a prompt. The AI handles the rest, creating high-resolution images, dynamic videos, and even removing backgrounds instantly. The platform's AI-powered editing can enhance quality, apply filters, and refine images without requiring manual adjustments. This is especially useful for freelancers, social media managers, and small businesses that need content quickly but don't have access to expensive creative teams. And the impact: freelancers using Invato Labs AI tools have cut their turnaround time by 70%, allowing them to produce more content in less time while maintaining professional-level quality for brands. This means faster marketing campaigns, lower costs, and scalable content production without sacrificing creativity. AI isn't replacing designers, it's supercharging them. Tool 2. Adobe Firefly high-end multimedia creation has traditionally been reserved for professionals with expensive software and years of experience. But Adobe Firefly is changing that, allowing anyone to generate images, videos, and even voiceover scripts using simple text prompts. Users describe their vision, and Firefly creates it. The AI adapts styles, adjusts aspect ratios, and fine-tunes motion elements, giving complete creative control without needing advanced design skills. What makes Firefly different is its deep integration with Adobe's ecosystem. Unlike standalone AI tools, Firefly works seamlessly with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects, making AI-powered content creation as customizable as traditional design. And the results: graphic designers using Firefly have reported a 60% reduction in project turnaround times. Businesses are using it to generate branding materials, marketing visuals, and social media content faster than ever before in an industry where speed and quality are everything. Firefly is proving that AI isn't just a shortcut, it's a creative revolution. Tool 1 Monica AI Tool Bundle. Using multiple AI tools for different tasks can quickly become overwhelming. Jumping between platforms for text generation, video creation, and image editing slows down productivity. That's where Monica AI changes the game. This all-in-one AI suite combines multiple platforms: Runway for video, Google VE2 for visuals, and ChatGPT 4.5 for text generation into a single dashboard. Instead of juggling different tools, users can create content, scripts, and marketing materials all in one place. The real advantage: streamlined workflows. Entrepreneurs and content creators no longer need to manage subscriptions across multiple AI services. With Monica AI, everything is integrated, reducing time wasted on tool hopping and increasing creative output. A startup founder recently used Monica AI to generate branding materials, ad campaigns, and website content, all within a single day. Instead of outsourcing multiple tasks, AI handled design, copywriting, and video production in one centralized workspace for businesses and solo creators looking for efficiency without complexity. Monica AI is the Swiss Army knife of productivity. The future of AI productivity. AI isn't just an optional add-on to productivity. It's redefining how work gets done. These 7 AI tools are eliminating repetitive tasks, enhancing creativity, and making high productivity accessible to everyone, from AI-generated video marketing with Hagen to multilingual transcription from 11 Labs and career planning with Google Career Dreamer. These tools aren't just futuristic concepts, they're actively reshaping industries, and this is only the beginning. AI is getting smarter, faster, and more adaptive. Whether you're a business, a creator, or just someone looking to get more done in less time, these tools are proof that AI is already changing the way we work. Which of these AI tools do you think will make the biggest impact if you've made it this far? Let us know what you think in the comments section below for more interesting topics. Make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.